what's up? This is my Sunday Funday 2 bike check. As you can see here, I got the Sunday Funday 2 Aaron Ross Pro Frame. Pretty fucking nice. Cool bottom bracket. And then next, I got the Odyssey Director S2s right here. Pretty fucking sick. Custom wheels, I got G-Sport ratchet front hub, titanium spokes, and a G-Sport roll cage rim. Moving on to my bars, I got premium whiskey bars. Pretty sick. Got some Animal Edwins. Oh, and I got the Odyssey Evo 2 brake system. On my stem, I got the Profile acoustic stem. Pretty fucking sick. Then I got the Chris King ceramic bearing headset. Pretty fucking sick. Next, I got Odyssey Aaron Ross 2.35 tires. Pretty sick. Got the Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat. Pretty sick as well. Animal seat post, S&M seat clamp. I got the Profile sprocket spline drive with the Profile GDH cranks with some the E-Clat Surge alloy pedals. Next, I got the DK half-link chain. Pretty sick. It's my G-Sport rear hub sound. Pretty sick. Next I got, G-Sport hub, tie spokes, G-Sport roll cage rim, Aaron Ross tire. So that's my bike, and I'll do a trick for you. That was called a 180 Aaron Ross signature 180. Next we got the stocky right there. It's pretty sick. So this is my Sunday Funday 2 Aaron Ross Pro bike. Thanks for watching.